Good ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to this special edition. We are still solving questions regarding equilibrium of forces, and this is your favorite channel, D Tutor Home. And I'm your humble host, Uncle Did. I'm going to be solving questions regarding equilibrium of forces, and we have a diagram here which we are asked to find the value for W. We are asked to find the value for W. Now, it simply means that W is balancing against 50 kg, 50 grams. W is balancing against 50 grams. We want to know at what weight will this body be balanced against 50 grams. Now, the first step in solving questions regarding this, you must know the distance between the weight, the weight to the point at which it was balanced. Now, the distance between the weight to the point which was balanced is simply 50 minus 10, and that will give us 40. That means the distance between this point to this point is 40. Then the weight, the W was balanced again to against the point which it was balanced. The weight W was balanced against the point at 50. Now we're going to know what will be the distance between here to this. And the distance between here to this is, since here is 75 and here is 50, that means distance between this point to this is what, 25. Now if we have done that, we should know that when pulling this body down, this is simply clockwise direction, while this is simply anti-clockwise direction, because it's going against clockwise and it's going and it's following clockwise direction. And we know from a law for our principle of movement that anti-clockwise direction is simply equals to the sum of anti-clockwise direction is simply equals to the sum of clockwise direction. And if we have that, so we're going to have, let's say for the clockwise direction, it's going to be 50 times the distance, which is 40. That is, movement is equal to force times distance, and is equals to W times the distance, which is 25. If we do that, this will give us our 2000, and is equals to 25W. We divide both sides by 25, double side by 25. So we have W is equal to 80 grams. So the weight at which 50 grams will be balanced in this knife edge will be against 80. So 50 will balance against 80. And this is how we come to solving come to the end of this question. Please don't forget to always subscribe and share our videos, and drop your comments and your question if you have any at the end of every video we make. Don't forget, this is your humble and favorite TV channel, D Tutor Home, where we bring education to your very home.